Good morning, Ninja Kittens. Hello, Hello Kitty Warriors. It is time for Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings. That's Sandy's Silly Sound Salutation with wings. What kind of wings do you have on? Are they butterfly wings? Are they dragon wings? Are they fairy wings? Are you pretending you have wings, or do you have real wings like me? Well, go get your wings on, and let's do Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lean back, and we're going to do our back bend, and let our wings fall behind us. Oh. And we're going to look up at the clouds, and we're going to see the sunshine, and we're going to see the moonlight, and we're going to see the rainbows. And then we're going to come into our forward bend. And now we are in our forward bend. We're touching our toes. We're touching our wings, and we're coming down. Coming down, coming down, coming down. And we're going into lunge pose. Now we're in lunge pose. Lunge pose feels so good as we stretch our body just a little bit more. And now we're going to go into high plank. Here's my high plank. There we go. There's my high plank. Now we are in high plank. Now we are in high plank. Now we're going to go into low plank. Now we are in low plank. Now we are in low plank. And then we're just going to lie on the floor and do the cobra. You're going to breathe in. And you're going to breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now we're going to do the cat and cow. Meow. It amazes me that such natural noises come out as we do cat and cow pose. Now we're going to go into downward facing dog. And we're going to do the fetch poem with wings as we walk the dog. Life is rough when we're home alone. We just bark at the mailman. But then our human comes home and we run, run, run and pant, pant, pant. My human likes to throw sticks and I bring them back. We go inside and I get my ears scratched. We have a howling good time. Into the forward lunge. So is it animal yoga? Is it primal yoga? Is it sound yoga? I think it's just Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation. Into our forward bend. Come up very, very slowly into our back bend. And let's look at some rainbows. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. Namaste. You have a great day. May sweet water and light laughter fill your days till we meet again. Thrive on, my ninja kittens. Do your best, be your best, and thrive.